Welcome to another episode of the Bertol Podcast. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. And since it's Mother's Day, my guest for today is a very, very special person in my life. And I'm so glad she's back on the Bertol. Of course, I have my mom. Hi, Mom.
Happy Mother's Day,
Happy
Danny.
Mother's Day, Mom. Thank you for being back.
Yes.
We need an update of that episode.
That was so long ago.
That was so long ago. Wala pa tayong set. At hindi pa ako
Yes.
naka-makeup nun.
Hindi rin ako naka-makeup. Kaya kailangan talaga ma-redeem.
I love it. But at least now we get to talk about more things. Ang dami ko mga questions dito eh.
Wala
my
akong
God.
kaalam-alam. I don't know what I'm walking into. And
Kakalimutan ko.
congratulations sa lahat ng iyong mga awards, Danny. No,
I
really,
love
honestly.
it. Mom, may awards na ako finally.
Yes, nako, hindi na kailangan ng school awards.
Di ka na papatawag sa principal office.
Hindi na. Pag pinatawag ako makikipag-away na ako. Sobra na kayo.
I love it. Meron na rin ako napakitang awards sa nanay
Uy,
ko.
grabe ka
Finally.
naman. Hindi naman ako naghanap ng awards.
In fairness. Okay, Mom. So this one, for my first question, it's about a whole new identity of motherhood. So many moms dedicate their whole identity to motherhood. How do you rediscover yourself once your children start building lives of their
Okay,
own?
I don't think I'm still there. I'm not there yet. Honestly, before I turned 50, which was 2 years ago, I think you guys had a talk with me.
Yeah.
I think I remember Julia okay, we're all grown up. Parang it's time for you to find your purpose, do what you want, and kasi nga everyone's grown up na. But I still have not rediscovered Marjorie as Marjorie. I have been a mom since 19.
Yeah.
Ano ba ako? 19.
Yeah.
So and I'm on to my last child, meaning to say, 4 of my kids are out of my home already. They're on their own. So I have 1 more to go.
Yeah.
And Erich has 4 years to go till college. Can you imagine? And nagpapanik na ako. I'm
Mom.
okay, I think I'm still too young to have 1 child left.
Yeah.
And wala na yung chaos and I still have
Noise.
to, wala na yung noise. And I keep sending
I know, she always sends us videos of when we were kids.
when you were kids and reels about enjoy the chaos. Enjoy the chaos. It doesn't last forever. So I still have to, find out what is out there for me. Because some people say, travel na. You
Yeah.
don't have to worry about leaving your kids. But every time I think of travel, gusto ko kasama ko lahat ng kids ko. So that's still something I have to pray about. What do I do when Erich goes off to college? But I think for my sake, I have to start doing it now para hindi naman ako mabigla 4 years down the road na when Erich leaves me, ano naman ako, I don't know what to do with
Yes.
myself.
We always remind Mom, have fun, go out. Kami na yung ganyan sa kanya ngayon.
Kasi iba hindi naman ang idea ko ng fun is going out.
Yes.
You
Gusto ni
know?
Mommy talaga together, all of us together.
Or good friends, home dinners.
Yeah,
you
hindi
know?
ka talaga malabas, Mom.
Hindi ko enjoy. It's
Yeah.
not my idea of fun. Yeah.
Kanya-kanya talaga. Okay, Mom, what is the best thing about motherhood for you?
Well, everything. The challenge. I've seen it na eh. I've seen it all. Yung hirap ng babies kayo. I've seen it, yung hirap nung hinahabol-habol kayo, toddlers, and then grade school na may problema sa school, may mga naughty ganyan. I've seen it. And I've seen yung teenage years, and I love it all.
Yes.
I really do. I think maybe I have a bad memory, but I really don't have bad memories of being a mom.
Mom, when you think about our memories when we were young, what's one thing that stands out? What memory yung nagsa-stand out sa'yo? Kasi when Chloe was here, pareho kaming memory ni Chloe.
Which is?
The Singapore trip.
Oh my gosh, that was really...
Right? The
for
last
books.
one na all of us, wala pa si Erich.
Yes, that's right. Yes, Singapore trip was really really, we should share that
I
video.
know, we
kasi
really should.
we had they made a video. The
Julia
kids,
did.
Julia did, of that trip, and somebody asked me kasi we were leaving, and like, ang tapang mo naman, mag-isa ka, 4 na anak, paano pag nawala yung isa? Tumakbo yung isa? Wala naman kayong ganon.
Wala naman.
Wala naman kayong ganon. So, that was so fun, and hindi pa artista si Julia, and she was there sa Universal sa Singapore holding a Best Actress
award, that Oscar
the trophy
thing.
yung nabibili.
Yes.
Na ganon. And it was really, so one that stands out, I think it would always still be the Christmases.
Yeah.
And okay, it can't be just one thing.
Yeah.
But I think what I most remember and I miss is having you all in the attic. Because this is my room. The whole attic is all of my kids. And then there is a lot of dancing kasi naririnig
Noise.
ko. Noise. And then first they were makukulit. May wrestling. Leon on the side is a wrestler. And ganyan. And then dumating sa point na teenager na kayo, naririnig ko na yung nakikipag-away
Away sa
kayo sa boyfriend. Imagine mo, isang child nakikipag-away sa boyfriend, sigawan sa phone, and then all the rest are just there.
Wala magawa.
Nag-TTS, diba? Tapos ibang voice naman. Nami-miss ko yun.
I know. Alam mo ba,
Nami-miss ko yun.
Pag bumabalik kami sa house natin, that big house, we always, parang, those movies, di ba, when you enter a house, parang may montage. Lagi akong may ganun pag pumapasok ako sa door. Like, may montage ako na may isang nag-aaral sa dining table,
Yeah.
yung isa nasa kabila,
Yeah.
may dalawang nagchichismisan sa taas. Parang madaming memories yung
It's
bahay
so much
natin na
memories.
yun.
And it was like a clubhouse. Like everybody had friends coming over. Like you had your own friends.
Yeah.
Julia had her own friends. Claudia had their own friends. And they just come in,
Yeah.
like my house is just like a clubhouse.
I think all our friends dumaan sa bahay na yun.
Dumaan. And then pag Sundays, like everyone just shows up. Like,
Yes.
without invitation.
But mom, you continue that Sunday tradition because kami din, even our husbands, us husbands and partners, alam na nila, Valentine's Day, Sundays are always with you.
Yes,
alam nila
that's
yun.
right. So I miss that, and I now when I go home to that big house, like every so often, very very less often, I feel the emptiness.
Yeah.
Like it's really quiet, and wala na lahat yung. And Claudia was the last child to get
go.
her things, and she's been married for a year, and she only did this a few months ago. I think before Christmas, like, Mom, I'm gonna go back to the house and get my stuff. And she felt sad. She felt sad also. And she goes, tell my siblings to get their stuff na rin from the house para wala ng clutter. I'm like, wala nang stuff yun. Wala ka na.
Wala na rin yung stuff.
Wala nang stuff si Jewel. Ikaw na lang. And
Yes.
me and Erich, of course. But yeah, it's an end of an era that I'm not even, mas naiiyak pa si Danny sa akin, no?
Nai-emo ako pag nagsasalita si mom always. Kasi parang hindi ko siya nare-realize on my own. But when she says it, parang oo
Okay,
nga.
why ako na umiyak rin na.
Sabi ko parang oo nga, no? Because that house like holds a lot of memories. All of us grew up in that house.
And then you always think of ancestral homes, but hindi pa to ancestral home.
Hindi.
Sabi ko, minsan napaka-blessing na ang bata kung nagkaanak para na-enjoy ko yung adults. Pero ang aga nyo ring nawala. So anyway, next question. Baka umiyak na ako.
Mom, what's the best thing naman about having grown-up kids na? People see that you're our best friend. We hang out together all the time. We like being together. Group chat namin is very alive. Halos every day kami magkausap because we send her videos of our kids every day.
Tsaka bawal ang negative sa group chat.
Walang negative sa group
So
chat.
that's one advice I would really give mothers with family group chats. Refrain from any negativity.
Yes.
Honestly. Kung gusto mo mag-negative, get out of the group. Make a side group.
Make a subgroup.
Make a subgroup, hindi pala side group. Okay, I'd always say this. I think yung grown-up version of you guys is already my rewards.
Yeah.
Okay, it's really, eto na yung rewards points, kumbaga. I get to hang out occasional wine nights with you guys. I visit your homes.
Yes.
And you guys feed me. Yan, you handle Christmas, yung ganyan. So, those are the rewards. Plus, I have grandchildren, diba? And then I have sons-in-law. So, I mean, those are the rewards of having adult children. But it's harder not to raise, but what's another word? It's you don't raise your adult children anymore. But I think it's harder to parent adult children. Kasi, di ba, with Millie and Riley, you tell them to stop when they're doing something wrong.
Nakikita ko si Mami nagpipigil lagi sa gilid. Sabi niya, no, don't shout. It's okay. I'm okay. Kunyari, nasaktan ni Millie si Mom. Kunyari, hindi naman, hindi natamaan lang. Tapos syempre, Millie, say sorry. No, it's okay.
No, I'm fine.
Si Mami nag-hold back doon sa gilid, nagpipigil. Or pag nagagalit, si Mami hindi titingin.
Yeah, I don't like that. But, it's watching your kids on their own. And then, di ba nga, sabi ko sa'yo, parang nakikita mo yan pagbata na tumatakbo, sabi mo, matutumba na yan, matutumba ka, di ba? Or mauuntog ka. Pero pag adult kids mo, nakikita mo rin yun.
Yeah.
Like, oh my gosh, it's a wrong move. Pero hindi na ako pwedeng magsalita. Oo nga. I have to trust the way I raised you guys. Kung alam nyo na mauuntog ba kayo, mababangga ba kayo or what. I just have to trust that you know what's best and yung keeping quiet is the hard part.
Ayun nga, si Mommy ganyan. Pero nakikita, transparent kasi si Mom. So nakikita ko sa kanya.
Am I?
You are, Mom.
Oh
We
my
all
gosh.
are. The
Hindi
thing
ko
is, we
alam.
all are. Our faces are so unfiltered. Like, hindi filtered yung mga
So wait,
face
so you
natin.
know my reaction?
Yeah, kunyari pinapagalitan ko or I say something, basta napapagalitan ko si Melly, like kita nakikita. Titingin ka you're gonna look somewhere.
Or like too much.
Yeah, too much. Like, Dan, don't shout. Dan, like, hindi ka na kaya. It's so cute. It's so cute, Mom.
But that's how I feel with you guys making decisions in life. But no, ikaw okay ka na. Actually, okay na yung kids ko. But sometimes yun nga, baka I feel like, pero hindi na rin Kasi maayos kayo matalino rin mga bata na kayo. Kasi you choose the right friends.
Yeah.
Okay kayo mag-choose ng partner. So, what I mean is when you make decisions, when my children make decisions that I feel like, parang mali, hindi ako pwedeng mag-voice out ng gusto ko because kailangan ma-figure nyo out yan on your own.
Yeah. How's that for you, Mom? When you see us, kunyari may mga ginagawa kaming mistakes in life. Like, I'm sure as a mother, you're like, nagpipigil ka. Because my mom doesn't tell us what to do
I don't.
She really
It's
lets
hard.
us make our own mistakes. But I know because if you're a mom, you're like, you wish you can protect them from everything in the world.
Yeah.
And I'm sure, lalo na my mom, with the amount of things we all go through, it's like, yung pigil mo, Mom, medyo intense.
I pray a lot for my kids. And that's what I'm telling you guys. I always tell you, diba, pray the general protection prayer. Just pray to God, like, okay, protect me today. And then that falls under all categories, diba? Protect you from wrong friends, wrong business partners, wrong decisions in life, diba? And it really works. So I just really have to surrender to God. I think like, okay, Lord, bless my child. I hope she's making the right decision. But alam mo, I don't want it to sound like you guys are problematic because you really are good kids. I mean, you've made very good decisions in life. You are, iba-iba ang characters naman ako
Iba.
You are my risky child. Grabe ka mag-gamble in life, like when you want something, when you think of something, talagang yun pala I have to suppress. Kasi hindi ako kasing adventurous ninyo. I think I was a mother for too long. Natakot akong gumawa ng mistakes.
Yeah.
So very calculated yung galaw ko. Ikaw, pag may naisip kang business idea, maya-maya sinasabi mo lang, kinikwento mo lang in passing, mamaya andyan na.
Launch na.
Andyan na yung product, And I'm like, oh my gosh, tama ba yun? Diba?
Yeah.
And then, tama naman. Diba?
Good si Mom, in fairness, but she's always been so supportive.
Yeah, but ganun din. Like, all of you are risk takers and I love it because it's something that you didn't get from me. Yay! I think maybe when Erich is in college, I can start and rediscovering the risky side of me.
Yeah. Pwede ka na mag-travel everywhere, mom.
Pag may mga podcast ka nga about staying in your comfort zone too much, I'm like, oh my God,
oh no.
that's so me. I so stay in my comfort zone. Kawawang-kawawa na ako. Andyan pa ako sa comfort zone na yan. Sabi ko, ako kaya pinapatamaan ito. I think it's a mother thing diba? You have a lot of kids. You can't afford to make mistakes. But yeah, maybe. I'm still young pa naman.
Yeah.
So 4 years from now, I'll be 56. Tama ba yun? O pwede pa ako. Pwede na ako mag-risk.
But you know what, Mom? The one of the things that I really love about you is that even if you make mistakes, you own up to it. And you're honest with us all the time.
Yeah.
And I really appreciate that about you because it kind of, ganun na din ako ngayon now as a mother. Like,
Be honest.
Be honest. You never lie to us about anything. You would always be honest with us. Parang hindi ka nag-sugarcoat even when it's bad.
Yeah. Kaya no one can blackmail me.
Yeah, exactly.
It's like, might tell my kids everything.
Yeah, sabi ko wala kayong masasabi sa amin na hindi namin alam.
My greatest offense or what really makes me angry or insults my intelligence is people when they lie to me.
Yeah.
It's when people lie to me, it's like, oh my gosh, that's don't underestimate me. So that's how I feel with you guys, with my kids early on. It's like trust is important kasi between mothers and their children. If you can't trust your mom, you can't trust their word that they'll follow through their promise.
Yeah.
Where will they feel safe?
Yeah, that's true.
Your first, first area where you feel first environment where you feel safe. So it's honesty.
Well, I had to learn the hard way because ako talaga yung pinaka nag-lie ng bata. Ako talaga
And I knew every time you lied.
And every time I always be caught in the lie. Like, tsaka kaya hindi ako sumasagot. Every time tinatanong ako, palasagot ka ba? Never ako
Never siya palasagot. Yun pala yun.
Yun, kasi wala na. Ano sasagot ko? Nahuli na ako eh. Alam na mali ako eh. Parang tsaka si mommy kasi, kapag kunyari sasagot na si mommy, facts nandun na lahat. Alam niya na lahat ng ginawa ko. So I'm like, wala na. Surrender. Wala na akong sasagot.
Pinakamabait kong anak si Danny kasi hindi pala sagot. Yun pala yun.
Sabi ko, wala na ako. Ba't ka maka-counter? Ano pang diskusyon ko doon? Alam niya na lahat.
At saka pagka nag-deny ka pa, parang mas gumagrabe lang.
Gumagrabe.
Diba?
Ayaw na kitang galitin pala. Mom.
You know, so, yeah. Yeah, yun.
Mom, are you kind of scared to go through the teenager phase now that Erich is a teenager na?
You know why? It's so different from your time. So I was blessed that Danny, Julia, Claudia, and Leon, they kind of went through their teenage lives together and all at once. And you had each other kasi. I don't know kung you guys were keeping things from me, or I don't know how you guys survived your teenage years. But with Erich, it's a whole new generation.
Yeah, may social media na rin
First
kasi
of all, they can answer, not answer back. They can already articulate how they feel. So I have to relearn how this generation is. I don't want to be pushy, and I try so hard to be careful with my words kasi anything I say can be used against me.
Yeah, that's
you
true.
know, even if I mean well, my intention is good, it's like binabalik sa akin yung mga sinasabi ko. And alam mo yun, yung mga bata ngayon, pag may sinabi ka, dala-dala na nila, hinanakit na nila yun ng matagal.
Yeah.
So, choice of words,
Yeah.
you know.
Ngayon, you have to be more
conscious.
Yes.
More conscious of, yeah.
Yun, mom, ang fear ko ngayon as a parent. Because that's why I talk to my mom all the time. Pag nag-usap kami ni mom, like hours
Oh my gosh, yeah.
on like video call. Or when something is happening or I'm stressed or going through something, the first thought is always to call you. And then the thing about my mom is she's always calm. And you would always tell me na parang, Dan, calm down.
Yeah.
Like, don't react right away because that's my ugali.
Yeah,
I
si
react
Danny, yun ang
right
difference natin.
away. Yes.
And exaggerated.
I'm always mad right away. Parang ang dami kong anger right away. And my mom was
Yeah.
like, don't react. calm down first.
I'm gonna tell you something. Don't react, okay?
Yeah.
And then when she freaks out, I'm like, nothing gets solved when you're in a panic.
Yeah.
Nothing gets solved when you're shouting. Nothing gets solved. So, yeah.
I'm still learning.
Si Danny kasi, very, very busy. Okay, super duper busy. So, buti na lang may app na tayo na trace ko. Before, I used to call her and like, I'm on live, mom.
Yeah.
Or it's like, it's always a bad time. So, if I have that once a week time na I see, oh, she's home. So, are you awake or whatever?
Yeah.
Then I call you. My gosh, that was 2 hours.
2
Kasi
hours. Kung saan na
namamatay
napupunta
tayo
yung
ng battery.
kwentuhan namin.
2
hanggat
hours,
may
video
nagbibihis na,
call.
may nagbabanyo na. Magkausap pa rin kaming dalawa. I love that.
Yeah, and I love it that Javi joins the conversation. Mas
Yes.
marami pang side comment.
Isa pa yun.
Siya pala dapat yung, okay, Javi, calm down.
Yes! Kami pa kaming dalawa ni Mami para, okay, sobra yung reaction
Kami
mo doon.
nag-uusap, siya yung may comment.
Siya yung galit.
Sabihin,
Lagi.
Danny, babe. Siya yung mas galit sa aming dalawa sa topic namin.
Like, taga-kinig, pero siya may pinakamadaming opinion.
Pero I like it that he's so chismoso.
Yeah.
And he really talks to us and, you know, he doesn't mind that I get your attention.
I know.
Unlike Riley po.
Oh, yeah. Ayaw niya.
Okay, when I'm talking to the mommy on FaceTime, she'd say, bye-bye, Lala. Lala, bye-bye.
Baba ko na daw yung phone.
Ibalik ko na daw yung nanay niya sa kanya.
Sobrang cute.
Yeah, but I appreciate that, Dan, because no matter how busy she is, it's really quality time. Yung talagang, when we talk, ubus na ng battery. At saka,
Yes.
namamatay-matay tayo sa kakatawa.
Every end call, I'm like 2 hours pala kami ni Mami magkausap.
As in.
Kung saan na napunta. But after the call, magdi-debrief pa kami ni Javi kasi tumatawa pa rin ako. Or hindi ko makalimutan yung pinag-usapan natin.
Oh, it's fun. That's the perks of having adult children.
And traveling mom with you also. You know the little times you've traveled that hindi ko kasama yung kids ko or wala pa akong kids noon. I really enjoy it. Because
Really?
I don't know how it feels na to travel without them.
Yeah.
Na kayo lang yung kasama ko. So, kunyari nandun yung kids ko but may time ako to just stay with sina mom. I miss, parang nagkaka-flashback ako lagi of
Correct.
us going to mom's room, staying in her bed, tapos nagkikwentuhan lang tayo until aantokin na isa-isa.
When we travel, no?
When we travel.
Yeah, we used to do that. So, pwede naman kasi ngayon, di ba, kahit may mga asawa kayo, the problem is ayaw, nafo-FOMO si si Javi.
Nafo-FOMO
So,
siya.
so, kasama siya. He's really
Yes.
part of us. So, it's really like he has to be with us.
I know he blended well, honestly.
Yeah, he blends
He
well.
blended well.
Yeah.
Okay, Mom, more on the serious note.
Oh, no.
Was it harder raising your children alone? What did that entire journey teach you?
Okay. Most of the time, let's say 80% of the time, I'm glad I raised you guys alone. Kasi kung hindi naman yung partner ko ay magaling na partner in raising children or in the decision making hindi balanced,
Yeah.
that would be so hard. I think it was easy deciding on my own. Especially alam ko naman yung ibang-iba yung personality if you guys had your father. Hindi makakatulong sa
Yes.
decision making. But there are days na I get tired. There are days na like now, siguro I'm older because I'm older.
Yeah.
I had all the energy then.
Yes.
Okay, so raising my kids alone, when you were kids, I had all the energy. Ngayon, parang, hindi mo ba napapansin, pinapasa ko sa'yo?
I know. I know, Mom, napapansin ko.
I remember recently, okay, so na-feel ko na yung age ko. I have a best friend, si Joy Ortega.
Yes.
And she's the one I really also talk to every day. She knows my heart and soul. So there was one time that I had to bring Erich to the ER. And it was gabi na. So wala nang driver. So nag-grab kami papuntang ER.
Oh my.
It's like it's within the area where we live. So nag-grab kami. Pagdating namin doon, pinagpasapasahan kami. Let's say, urgent care. Oh, no, she's a minor. It has to be emergency room. Pagdating sa no, it has to be urgent. So imagine yung lakad-lakad na yon. With her, kaming dalawa lang. And then, pagdating mo parang World War Z doon. Sobrang daming may sakit. Like,
Yes.
ganyan. So then the pedia will say, ay nako Margie, umalis ka na dyan. Mas magkakasakit. Just come to me tomorrow. Ganyan, ganyan. Naglakad na kami pa uwi.
Oh my
So mga
gosh.
past 11 na to ng gabi. And Erch would walk faster. But urgent yung kailangan namin siya i-ER, di ba? Kailangan ko siya i-ER. And she was walking, crossing the street ahead of me. And then nung paahon na kami dun sa condo, I remember paahon na siya. And I was so tired, worried and all. And I said, I'm too old to be a single mom.
Oh, Mom.
Diba? Wala man nang may mag-drive, park the car. Ako na muna mag-iiyakan na naman.
Yeah, kaya nga eh.
So, yun, I get tired.
That's why we carry the weight with each other. Kunyari may mga arguments. Okay, ako na to, ma'am. Ako na to.
Oo.
Yung isang kapatid na to.
Saan ba yung aking
Okay.
tissue? Ano ba yan? Hindi yata kami matatapos.
Hindi tayo matatapos talaga.
Akala ko naman lalo kami hindi mag-iiyakan. Anyway, gaya na sinabi ko to make you laugh, appreciate mo na si Javi. Kasi si Javi talaga maaasahan mo, to
Oo
be
nga.
fair.
To be
Talaga
fair
naman.
talaga with him.
To be fair. So anyway, yon. So, and then, whatever it is that, siguro naman 52 na, di ba? Perimenopause na ako, di ba? All the emotions, fatigue, whatever. So, when I have a problem with one child, kahit anong busy, Dani, ikaw na.
Yeah, please.
Ayaw na lahat. Ikaw na mag-ayos, ikaw na makipag-usap. Alam mo na kung anong sasabihin mo. Diba? And you do it for
Yes.
me. And,
I
pero
do.
pagod na pagod ka, alam ko.
Yeah.
Na ano ka, na ano ba tawag to?
Alam mo, ma'am,
Nasa
yung
stress ka.
iba
So
na
sabi ko,
yung-
meron ng taste si Danny ng pag may teenager.
ager. Well, I think that's why also, ang pinaka naintindihan ko lang now is mas na-understand kita now that I'm also a mom. Kahit maliliit pa yung mga anak ko.
Oo,
Because
kasi,
there are some things talaga na, okay, hindi ko ito-tolerate tong pag-uugali na to. Yung ganyan. Parang kasi, alam ko how I was with my mom or
Yeah.
growing up. And I was like, and I had so much, as a kid with very angsty. Alam mo yun? Yung,
Yeah.
now that I'm also a mom, pag nakakarinig ako sa kanya ng may sumagot or may ganyan, and I'm like,
she gets mad.
Mas
She's like
galit
a mom.
ako.
Parang
Yeah.
kang co-parent, actually. Pagka may sumagot na actually kahit jokingly lang, or even si Leon, di ba? I remember
Yeah.
last year we were swimming. And si Leon, he's a boy. So he's rougher with me. He forgets I'm 50, 52. So he's so ganyan. And then I remember he was making me pikon. And then we were in the pool and I said, Danny, si Leon, no?
pwede kasi
Sumasagot yung mga yan. Sabi ko, you know what Leon said to me? Parang he was joking. Leon na, sobra ka na. Sinigaw-sigawan mo naman. So pag hindi ko na kaya, I dump it on Danny. If she's so busy, Julia.
Yes.
So they know na, si Julia, iba rin yun.
Iba rin yun. Iba rin si Julia. Ate rin talaga yun.
Yun, iba yun. Nung nasa London kami, sumunod siya kasi mag-isa ako nag-travel, di ba? And then, si Erich parang naho-homesick. She did her summer course. And then, si Julia nakikipag-usap, like, okay, I'll pick you up if you want. We'll pick you. That's why we're here. That's why
Yes.
we're just waiting for you to be finished. We will get you if you want. You know, ganun-ganun si Julia, di ba? Okay, ang brave ni Julia pagbaba ng phone. Oh my gosh, iyak ng iyak si Jul. Like, I can't imagine her. She wants to, we might want to go home. So sabi ko, ito nakuha na ng ninyo yung pagiging mother.
Pero mom, thank you because the reason why me and my siblings are very close is because of how you really brought us
I
up.
really don't know how, you know.
I think unconsciously,
Some people ask me that, how did you raise your kids to be close to each other? And I'm like, I really don't know.
sabi ko naman sa totoo lang, nagtitipid lang talaga kami sa kuryente kaya kami natutulog sa isang kwarto.
That was the intention.
Yeah, that was the intention.
Diba? Para mabawasan yung electric bill. Pero it worked out for you guys and I'm glad it did. And I'm glad that dala-dala nyo yung closeness nyo up to now. And it's not just about being close. It's really being there for one another.
Yes.
It's like, it's so okay. I can't say I'm a single mom because I have you guys to really count on. Even when may extracurricular yung, let's say, Erich or Claudia before when she was in college, Leon when he was in college, you guys would step up.
Yeah.
You know,
We were
like
always in programs, graduations.
graduations, confirmations.
Confirmations.
Ay, si Danny yan.
Kompleto.
I have to honor you for that. Lahat ng graduation, ikaw ang katabi ko.
Kompleto.
Pakwento natin yung graduation ko. Ito nakakatawa.
Umiiyak kaya ako doon sa
So
graduation.
ko, you know, and for those who don't know, I graduated at 51 years old, college, and then she was there waiting with flowers and a gift. Diba? It's something a parent would do, and you were doing that for me. It was really a full circle moment for me. Except that in the middle of the graduation, Mom, meron ka pa ba? Kain na tayo.
Ma'am, ang haba na ng graduation mo. Kumain na tayo.
Text na siya, like, sandali lang, enjoy ko pa to, sandali. So, di ba, nag-ano pa ako, di ba, feel ko yung ang daming mag-aakit ng stage, feel ko. Maya-maya, Mom, marami na nag-aalis.
Baka gusto mo na kumain. Kami lang ni Leo yung nandun.
Sila ni Leo ng aking, parents.
Yeah, but Mom, it was a beautiful thing to watch, and you inspired me to finish school because I'm sorry I didn't finish school.
Well, you're doing great. Not that we're teaching kids, to
not
finish
too,
school, but it's always there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
seeing you there, it sparked something in me. Sabi ko like, wow, she did it. I have no excuse.
Bucket list ko yun.
Yes.
Bucket list ko yun. It's, ngayon gusto ko na mag-law.
Pwede ba yun, Mom?
Oh, kahit hindi ako
Feeling
maging
ko
lawyer.
kailangan mo yun.
Kailangan ko, Dan. Alam mo, kasi kahit ako na gumawa ng mga demand letters,
Pwedeng ikaw na lang yun, Ma'am. Kasi kailangan na, sa pamilya natin, baka
Kailangan
kailangan.
natin yun. Oo.
Sobrang kailangan. Oh my God.
at saka psychiatrist, psychologist.
Mom, you know what? Yeah, I have a question. What's going on in your mind every single time there's like a controversy that happens to us? What's the first thing that always comes into your mind? Kasi curious ako lagi kasi kakausapin namin si Mom pag nangyayari na. But hindi ko alam kung ano nangyayari when you wake up in the morning and then there's something
you
there.
know, honestly, well, thank God, ayokong batiin, medyo tahimik. Pero, it's like, how do I feel? Honestly, para na akong meron akong inner calm.
Yeah.
Okay, siguro sa daming shocks of my life, alam mo yung tulog ka, may nangyayari na. Or nagva-viral na isa sa mga anak mo, or ikaw, or hindi mo alam kung anong gising mo, di ba? So that's why nga God protect me. Hindi ko na alam. And then there was one time, hinintay niyo pa ako matulog.
Oh my God, kami.
Yung mga anak ko pala gising na buong gabi, nagdi-discuss about something viral. And then, I was gonna wake up too. But they were so kind to make me sleep till
Yes.
8 a.m.
Nobody tell her yet.
Nobody
We're all
tell
like,
her.
let
and
her
then the
sleep.
minute I was awake, it was like
Boom.
FaceTime. Lahat sila nandun.
Iiyakan kami lahat.
And I'm like, oh my gosh, eto na naman. All these things are happening. All these attacks towards me and my kids. It's like, talagang
Yeah.
malapit siya sa atin eh.
Ako, Mom, may inis ako how they always call us messy. Wala naman tayong sinisimulan.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that's so true. I'm
Kasi
like,
parang when you look naman at the inner part, tahimik naman kami lahat. Happy naman kami lahat.
we don't make trouble.
Yes. We
Trouble
don't create.
comes to us.
And I think they think we like it. We don't.
Oh my gosh, we don't. We're very, as a matter of fact, we're more private than people realize. Tayo, we know how to keep our private lives separate from yung careers nyo.
Yeah.
That's very public. Diba? Kasi sa bahay naman natin, when we're together, hindi naman tayo celebrities eh. We're all normal people,
Yeah.
really, with normal problems. And, so big events of our lives, we really want to keep it to ourselves. So when people try to force, announcements out of us, it's so nakaka-offend, di ba?
Yeah.
Na parang, amin na to.
Yes.
Ay, di ba? Amin na to.
Many, many times this happened.
But there's a calm already. When something happens to you too many times, you get immune. And so that's what I tell you na you always meet chaos with calm. That's the only way to get through it. With a clear mind.
Yeah.
Kung lagi kang I mean, we hear all, people say things about us that gets to us that are not true, and ang sarap mag-react. May moments tayo of reacting.
Ako,
And
Ma'am,
then,
lagi. I'm
pero sa umpisa, Kailangan kalmado ka.
Si mom lagi, don't answer Dan. Ako talaga, hindi ko kaya. Lalo na pag sinisiraan si mom, hindi ko talaga kaya.
Yeah.
Ang laki ng yung self-control ko talaga nawawala. And I honestly apologize to them at times because hindi ko kaya that people talk about you that way.
Yeah.
And then they try to make it seem like kami pa yung mali for defending you.
Yeah.
It's like, but she's our mom. What are we supposed to do?
Kailangan kasi, iistamahin mo yung taong kumakalaban sa'yo. Ano bang pagkatao nito? Ano ba napatunayan nito? Ano bang credibility nito? Sino ba to? Relevant ba siya sa buhay natin? Can we lose this person? Can we live without this person who's doing this to us? Kung yes, huwag mo nang pansinin. 'Di ba? Parang irrelevant ka.
Mom, you know, that's something I admire about you. You can be silent even if people are breaking you apart online. How do you do that?
Oh, but believe me, in my mind.
know!
In my mind.
But how can you have that much self-control when you wanna... And to be honest, guys, my mom has receipts for days. Like,
Oh my gosh, I have evidence for everything.
everything. Everything and everyone. That's why we're all like, Mom!
You know why I have evidence? I think, now ko lang naisip as I am talking to you, it's because I need to accountability
Yeah.
sa sarili ko. Because sometimes I want to know which of these bashing is valid. Baka naman may ginawa talaga ako. Baka may katotohanan naman yung sinasabi nila. So then I need receipts. I need evidences to know, no, this was really done to us.
Yes.
Talagang dapat lang mawala ka sa buhay namin. Yung may ganon. And I keep that. And in my mind, I am saying this. I am composing an answer. And in my notes, wag lang mawala telepono
Yung notes
ko.
mo.
Andyan lahat ng notes ko. Like, and diba I send you funny reels?
Yeah, mom does all the
This
time.
is me being quiet, but I'm punching you in my head.
Yeah.
Mga ganon.
Grabe yung self-control ni mom. Kaya pagka when people think that they know you and I see the comments or they use it to bash us, it's always like, you don't know my mother. And
I have survived so many narcissists in my life.
oh my, you were surrounded
I am
by
like
one.
a magnet. As a matter of fact, my closest of friends, they know me so well. And it's like sobrang magnet. So pagka na-identify ko na narcissist to, hindi ko to papatulan.
I have to constantly remind myself this, mom, because when people talk about you, it's so hard for me to practice self-control.
It's so funny. There are narcissists that are part of your life, whether you like it or not. But then, pag may nakasingit na mga narcissists na saan ka galing?
Wait, bakit nakikisali ka?
Gusto mo akong biktimahin? Oh my gosh, sino ka?
Yeah.
Like I've known you one day in my life and you're trying to
Agree.
my peace. Oh my gosh, maraming ganon.
Maraming ganon, mom, and it surrounds us.
But are you used to narcissists? Can you identify?
I can identify, but I'm not used to them. I don't want to be used to them. Kasi I still get hurt. I have this overprotectiveness with you guys and I really can't control myself. I don't like it about myself, mom, but I find it hard when I see you guys being torn apart.
Yeah.
And I know the truth.
Yeah.
I've seen the receipts. We lived through it. And I hate it when people think that they know us.
But the
more.
truth has its way of coming out.
Yeah.
You just have to wait. It's just wait and see. May expose rin eh.
Yeah.
Yung taong yun eh. May expose yung totoong ugali.
How do you handle the bashing from your children, mom? Because you're the mom. And of course, like, how do you handle it when I say Julia? Julia has been torn apart so many times. Like,
Before I used to be so worried and hurt for her until one day, I saw that she could handle it. That was a great moment for me to realize, like, she was fine already.
yeah.
Like, she knew how to block it. She knew herself na
Yeah.
siguro. Alam niya na kung ano yung totoo sa sarili niya. And she's really good at it now.
Yeah, she remained calm all
But I
the
think
time.
they've done all the bashing. I don't think there's anything else to
Yeah.
bash with her right now.
Julia is like you, mom. Hindi siya pala sagot.
Hindi siya pala sagot.
Hindi.
She chooses who she gives her energy to.
Yeah.
And she learned that so early in life. But she also had to suffer so much early in life.
Yeah.
The greatest bashing she got, she was 22. Can you imagine that? But now she's galing. She's magaling.
Ang galing niya. You know,
Magaling siya.
I admire her for that. Kasi
Yeah.
ako, kahit mas matanda ako sa kanya, pinapractice ko pa yan.
Nasabi ko sa kanya, don't let the ugliness of other people and their characters, ruin your joy, your peace, and whatever good life you have.
Yeah.
Ang tao kasi pag nakikita nila na you're successful in this area, dun nila babatuhin yun.
Yeah.
And
Agree.
don't let it take your joy out of, let's say, my business is so successful, let's say for you. And then, dun ka nila titirahin. And then, you're gonna miss out on all the joy of the success.
Yeah.
So, why will you give it to them? Don't give it to them.
Agree, Mom.
Diba? You always look for, or may na-learn ako sa Instagram, kailan lang, na parang, tignan mo muna yung klase ng buhay na yung nag-a-attack sa'yo, what kind of life do they live? I mean, do I want to be like her?
This person.
This person?
Credible ba tong taong to?
Is she happy? She's not happy? So, di ba? Hindi mo nabibigay yung peace mo doon.
Yeah.
Just because hindi healed yung taong yon, magpapadamay ka ba? No,
Yeah.
no, don't do that. Parang yung, ano yan eh, these are the problems and this is the, my blessings. When you're so angry at a person and what they say about you, you tend to go to the other side, diba? Galit ka, and all that. But then, you just focus right back on what you have.
Yeah, agree.
Diba? Ito, mas maraming blessings to. Diba? Mas marami akong, my kids are healthy, my kids are in good terms with each other. I mean, we love each other. I mean, yun na lang. Yun na yun. Then, pwede mo na siya iset aside.
I love that, Mom.
Yeah.
What does peace look like for you nowadays, Mom?
My kids, all okay. If they're not okay, of course, someone's going through something always, that they're strong enough. And that's what peace is to me. Na alam ko na kayang-kaya nyo na. You can survive life. Peace to me is when everyone's getting along. And it's not always like that,
Yeah.
diba? Then you have to pray about it. Kasi sometimes when things are going so well in your life, you don't pray anymore. Specific prayers. And then I said, okay, you know what? I have to be more specific also. Like, Lord, may my children love each other this much all the time and they'll be there for each other. So peace for me is, just really having you guys. At the end of the day, life is so crazy. But we go back to our circle, diba? We always say that
may bubble
there's a
talaga
circle,
tayo.
may bubble tayo. And like when I go through something, you guys are the first to show up, and that is peace to me. So for as long as we are all okay, that's my idea of peace.
Yeah.
And vacation.
Yes. Oh my God. Si Mom, magbe-vacation kami for her birthday. Oh my God, Mom, happy birthday!
Yeah.
Birthday na rin ni Mom in the next couple of days. Every birthday niya, we go on a trip. And Mom would send us videos of the previous trip because she's so excited.
So last night I was sending the group chat all the videos of my last birthday. And it's just me telling them I'm so excited for this birthday. So look at that, I mean, out of everybody in this world that I love, on that one day, it's just really you guys I want to be with. So, yeah, that's my peace.
Mom, if you were given the chance to go back and talk to your younger self, what advice would you tell your
Oh
younger
my
self?
goodness.
I want to hear this.
I never thought of that.
Right? What advice? Like, you had a chance. Okay, ano sasabihin mo sa kanya when you're... sasabihin mo
But
sa
I
younger
would really
self
tell
mo?
my younger self to not to stay too long in a situation that to be smarter with my relationship choices, like not to stay too long in a place where I don't feel cared for or loved enough.
Safe.
Safe. I would really tell my younger self to really take more risks and to not be too afraid. and I still have to teach my older self that
Yeah.
too. That, maybe at my age and you're all grown up, I can really take bigger risks, bigger business risks, bigger, you know, just to be more adventurous with my life, even to travel more, see the world more. And you know after this past year, I came from two family loss in my family. I've become so aware of how to intentionally live your life, like even with the things I buy
Yes.
or the things I keep that I have been throwing away the past few months. And I realize, if anything happens to me, do I want my kids to go over these things? Like, what will they do with this? And I'm more intentional, and then before, I'm into like invest on things na I can sell on a rainy day. And it's really more like, gosh, I should really be enjoying this already, because life is really short.
Yeah.
So these are the things that I think I'd want to do, take more risks, which I wish I did earlier. I'd probably be a trillionaire by now.
Yeah. You probably discovered Google or something, mom.
A mommy app.
Yeah, a mommy app or something. Oh my God, you would have built like a big empire. I truly believe.
I know. I said, if
truly
we made our lives into a reality show.
Oh my God, can you imagine?
Seriously?
Can you imagine? Then we don't
You guys
have to
have
do
no idea.
interviews.
So,
Then they're gonna see what our lives are really like.
because sometimes when we're together, like, wow, kung reality TV,
TV
lang
to,
to,
wala nang
grabe na
yaman na
talaga,
nating
yaman
lahat.
na.
Lagi kami. Every time something happens, I'm like, can you just?
Or when we get a call
Yeah.
of a balita about us, of someone doing this to us, because it's unbelievable.
Oh, mom,
The things.
really? Sometimes it's like, why? What? This happens to a person?
I know, unbelievable the things that happens
Happen
to
to
us, or the things we hear that about us.
Yeah.
And si Danny super reacting.
I react all the time.
Pero ako natatawa na ako. It's like, wow.
Natatawa na lang si mom sa... To be honest, hindi na kailangan magsalita. Ako na lang magsasalita. Kasi sabi ko, oh my God, you
Is
guys.
this for real?
Yeah.
Si Claudia, pag kinikwentuhan ko, is this for real?
This is not normal, right?
May taong ganyan. Diba? It's not normal.
This is not normal. Sabi ko, at I remember when we were talking kami ni Claudia, we're like, wow, this is really our normal. And people don't understand that this isn't normal. But, okay, mom. What's one thing you wish you could tell every mother who feels like she's failing?
Oh, wow. Nako, ang hirap niyan. Ano ba sabihin natin sa kanila? Not to be too hard on yourselves. Because, being a mother is really lifetime. Hindi yan yung pag they're off to college, it's over. Just go easy on yourself and always remember that you're not perfect. And I think it's something that that's why it's important that you're honest with your children, so that they know that, you're also vulnerable. You also get tired sometimes. You also lose your patience, and you just have to write it out, and a lot of prayers. When there are things that I cannot physically do as a mother, God will
Yes.
really do the rest, honestly.
He shows up all the time.
He does. And like what I said, sa daming taong nakasakit sa akin. And every time I have that urge to take revenge, I'd always just say, Lord, hindi ako gagante. But please promise me you will protect my kids. You will bless my kids. So yun na lang ang bargain ko, which works all the time. Which works all the time. So be easy on yourself, go easy. And just also for parents to really choose their words.
Yeah. I love that. Thank you, Mom. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you for this time. I love that I get to have this episode with you. That they get to have a glimpse of how funny our calls are.
Oh my gosh, they have no idea.
Wala. It's a
They
calls
have
namin
no
mas unfiltered, syempre. But thank you for this time, Mom, and for everything. Like, I know I was not an easy child to raise, but I feel like I make up for it now.
But you also have to be very easy on yourself, because I was also a young mom. So we were both figuring it out at the same time. I was also growing up myself. And you may keep saying that, you were difficult as a child, but I really don't have memories of that anymore. And you have more than made up, even if you don't have to. Alam mo si Dani, she just feels she has to keep making up. And she's being so generous and loving and all that. But really, wala na yon. Tapos na yon. You've made something out of yourself. And I think the biggest balik mo or reward na maibigay mo sa akin is that I see you're a great mom. And I have such beautiful grandkids,
Yeah.
So, absuelto ka na.
I know. Best lala to si mommy talaga. Best lala.
Absuelto na si Danny. And of course, you ended up with Javi, who loves me very much.
Yes. Oh my
And,
God. He's obsessed with my mom.
Yeah. So, that's really already for me. Eto na, rewards ko na to sa'yo, di ba? Galing sa'yo. So, yeah. And thank you for always, like, if I say, I want to go on a vacation on my birthday, you're all on board. Thank you for that. Thank you for making such a great life for yourself, for being the risk taker that you are, for all your awards, for all your everything that you do, Danny. You really are blessed. You really are blessed. And don't let anyone take your peace away
Thank you, Mom.
from all these blessings that are happening now.
I love you, Mom. I
Happy
love you
Mother's
so
Day.
much. Happy Mother's Day. Everything that we are, we really owe it up. We owe it all to you.
And me
Thank
too.
you.
It's all because of you guys,
Yes.
honestly. So I love you and I love
I
all
think
my
this
kids.
is my favorite episode now.
Aw.
Thank you, Mom, for your time.
Thank you for making me sit in this chair of VIPs. Thank you so much.
the only VIP. The only VIP in my life. Love you, Mom.
I
Happy
love you,
Mother's
Dad.
Day. Thank you guys for watching this episode. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye.